5 reasons I love board games. I've been playing board games ever since I was a little kid. Growing up, our family, we played a lot of games together. We played Scrabble, Boggle, Trivial Pursuit. Those were staples in the Guerin household when I was a kid. We were very competitive. I developed a love for board games, and I just bought them when I was a kid and played them a lot, and I still do, and I love board games. So here's 5 things that I love about board games. 1, board games are really good for your brain. They're very good for your brain health. They force you to solve problems and figure stuff out and think and plan and visualize and work towards something, whether it's a cooperative game, whether it's a competitive game. You're always having to figure stuff out. And I don't think our brains get enough of that on a daily basis. Board games are great because they make your brain work in a way it's not used to working. That's one reason I love board games. Another reason I love board games, socialization. You're at a table with 3, 4, 5 other people that sometimes and very often you don't know. Almost have to stretch yourself socially. Some people are social butterflies, they have no problem with that. I'm not. I tend to take a little time to warm up to people. And board games are a great way to do that. And what's cool about board games is even if you're a tad socially awkward, which I kind of am sometimes too, but even if you're kind of socially awkward, just because you're sitting at a table playing a game, it doesn't mean you have to talk to everybody and become their best friends. You can sit and play your game and make a couple comments and kind of keep to yourself, even though you're at a table playing a game, which is pretty cool. Socialization, that's another great benefit of board games. Another thing that I love about board games is it's a healthy reset from the busyness of life. We're on the go all the time, and we always have 80 million things to do, and we're running from place to place, doing things all day long, whether it's work, whether it's home. Board games are a great reset. And they're a great way to just kind of recenter yourself and rebalance yourself. Another reason I love board games, competition. Competition is healthy. Winning and losing is healthy. It's part of life. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, but competition, perfectly healthy and it's perfectly okay. Now, if you go overboard and you act like I did when I was a kid and I lost at Monopoly to my family and I would throw a temper tantrum for the next day, that's not good. So competition is healthy. Getting too caught up in it's not healthy. But for the most part, playing a game's good because competition's a good thing. One of the biggest reasons I love board games is it's fun. It's fun to play board games. You almost put yourself into a fantasy land because you're in this world where the entire existence exists on this tabletop games going on. I get to leave Mike World and I go into whatever game it is. I think it's pretty cool. It's pretty fun to do that. It's a pretty good break from modern life. I highly encourage you, if you don't play board games, start. If you like board games and never play them, go find a group to play with. There's plenty of groups in Greenville. Shoot, across the street from my office here in Travelers Rest, Travelers Games opens up soon. I look forward to going and hanging out and playing games, probably with people I don't know. I'm gonna have a blast with it. Play some board games. If you need some tips or ideas on what games to play, reach out. I'll give you some ideas. Shoot, if you're in Travelers Rest, I'll tell you to come and meet me at Travelers Games. We'll play a game together. If you want more tips like this, Dr. Mike Guerin's my website. You can join my email list. I send you really cool stuff. Thanks for watching.